Big loop soft capture ring retraction is in progress.
There's our first full view of Dragon.
This is Mission Control Houston. As spacewalk preparations have been ongoing over the past hour or so, Russian flight controllers and the flight controllers here at Mission Control in Houston have been noticing
About 3 hours later, the Soyuz MS-21 arrived and docked to the pre-shell module for the first time ever, and hooks closed on both sides of the docking interface to form a hard mate between the Soyuz MS-21 and the International Space.
A stream of particles coming out of the Soyuz MS-22 vehicle that is attached to the Rassvet module on the Earth-facing side of the Russian segment of the International Space Station. We do not know what the source of this stream of particles is at this point. There is discussions that are ongoing. First, to make sure that the safety of the two spacewalkers is not compromised.
And there you can see that view again, the moon in the farthest portion of your screen there. We are 16 meters away from the International Space Station. On the left is Crew Dragon Endurance coming in for docking on the top.
For that precise maneuvering as the Dragon approaches the International Space Station. I believe you can also identify that green light that we were talking about. So there's a green one and a red one indicating what side is port, which side is starboard. Don't ask me which one is which. I don't like deep water, so I'm not really ever to be on a boat. But yeah, the green light there you can see on the left-hand side of Dragon.
Space Station. And here we come through. First one through the hatch is going to be Nicole Mann, commander of Dragon. And now the first Native American woman. Next one through the hatch is Josh Cassada, the pilot of Dragon. He's getting his welcome. Inside Node 2, looking for a 7:15 start time, Central Time, for that welcome remark.
And you're now seeing a view inside the space station, opening up the hatch.
Okay, I guess it's your turn now.
And Tom Marshburn making his way down, and there we are. And then making his way out of a spacecraft named